He was crowned a god before he was ever allowed to become a man, a child, placed upon a throne forged from rebellion and fear. In a kingdom divided, its faith shattered, its people uncertain, he reached back to the old gods. He tried to mend a wounded empire, carrying the weight of Egypt on shoulders never meant for such burden. They thought him fragile. They thought him weak. Yet beneath burning skies, he rode into battle. But inside the palace walls, shadows stretched long, whispers thickened, loyalty turned to venom, and then his death, sealed behind stone, wrapped in gold, his name preserved, the truth buried with him. For centuries he slept beneath the desert, his mask dazzling the world, a golden face that made history forget the boy beneath it, until the day his tomb was opened. Light touched his face again. The glory was undeniable, and so was the mystery, because beneath the gold, beneath the legend, and a question that still whispers through the sands of Egypt.